At Making Sense, we're hemisphere bridgers, chaos collectors, sense makers. There is no software without experience, no code without design. When you work with us, you don't have to choose between elegance or logic. You simply choose all of it. And that, to us, makes all the sense in the world. We invite the wow. When you partner with us, we politely request that you put your shoes on and double knot your laces, because we're about to blow your socks off. Don't fret, we'll get you another pair. In fact, we'll make it. We are one team with one mission. Our bonds are covalent, and you can't hear if one of us misses a beat because we all play in concert. We can disagree, but we always commit, and when we move as one. We make radically real relationships. We intentionally make strong relationships, one of our proudest products. We know that because we can make it here, we can make it anywhere. We are proudly accountable. If you aren't proud of it, don't make it. That doesn't make sense. If you make it, own it with pride. If it succeeds, celebrate it. If it fails, learn from it. Excuses are for hobbyists. We are owners. We are professionals. We never settle. We win or lose based on the audacity of our own imagination. In an era where limits are pushed forward, with these core values, we push them further.